Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
So today I'm going to share my first day experience in THS Academy. So when I was in school, I was a good student, and I'm also English is one of my best subject, and I'm very good in my academics, but I have also a little problem as everyone. I am not able to speak a fluent English, but I am able and perfectly understand what other people says. I have a major problem that everyone face. So I always saw my cousin brothers and anyone are talking in fluent English with each other, and that time I feel very embarrassed. So I make my mind I can speak English very well than them. So as I said, I am an old school. I am not like to pay any fees for coaching because I thought coaching is full of waste of time and money. So in 2020 I joined, after completing my 12th I joined my college, and in 2022 I came to Srinagar with a lots of desires. One of my desires is to learn fluent English. So I decided to choose different ways. I found online content. I started watching animes, movies in English. And one day, I still remember, one day in mid of February, I am laying down in my bed with my roommate, and suddenly we are both using phone, and suddenly he said, I am now attending coaching to speak fluent English. And I turned to him and gave him a strange look. What did you say? And he again repeated his text, and I said, are you stupid? You are wasting your full of, why are you joining academy? As I told you, it's a full of waste of time. I'll provide you lots of content like in online platform. But he said, now I'm trying demo classes, and then I decide what to do. And that time I feel at that time I didn't say anything, but in my mind I said lots to him and gave him some hard words. But and next day he went to the coaching, and I still remember I am preparing food when he came back to room, and I look at him and say, so how is your experience? So he started giving lots of compliment about sir and THS Academy. He said the sir teaching way is totally different from any other teachers and any other academy and all school life. And that time I still say nothing, but I'm not convinced. And suddenly after some time, one day at night I'm laying my bed, and it's around 11 p.m. and then he is doing his coaching work and sitting in the ground. So I turned him and said, pass me your notebook, I want to see how is it going. And he passed me to his notebook, and I'm totally surprised and to see our whole of content. These are totally different of my thinking, the teaching way and all of the content he's writing and making his notes. Totally, at that time I'm very pretty impressed, but I didn't say anything about it. I passed it the next morning, and as a coincidence I'm talking with my father, and he said to join me to attend any speaking course in local. And this time he said very strictly, because in previous few days ago he also said same thing, but that time I refused it. But this time I am interested in convocation, because at previous night I was very surprised to it. And so after ending call, I told him, so brother, today we go to academy where we learn to speak English. And he started giving some hard words to me and saying, you did it and you say lots to me. And then that time I said nothing. I said, my father forcing me to join, so shut your mouth and we will go. We both came to academy, and starting when first time I am going to coaching, I am feeling very excited because I have never visited any this kind of coaching centers. At the starting I am very full of courage, full of attitude, full of confidence. But when I reach near to academy, I feel very low. My moral and my everything goes down. At that time I am very nervous, and I still remember I said to my roommate, let's get back to home. I have no such a convention to face, sir. But he convinced me, and then I still remember sir was sitting with ma'am, and then sir gave us time. So then we met. So sir explained everything about the fees structure and course structure, and I shared also my problems. Then sir said, we are starting a new batch. In few days I'll inform you when it start. And that time I was happy. So after some day at one evening, sir texted me to tomorrow we will starting a new batch, so you are coming. And that next day I am very excited for it. That night I am very excited for it, because next day I am going to completed one of my dreams to speak a fluent English. And I still remember that the first time I was fully dressed up to come in coaching. As you can see, I'm always in my normal clothes, but that day I'm very full dressed. And when I come to coaching, I still remember that time we used whiteboard, and I think we are 12 and 13 in numbers, and we are all sitting in chairs. So then sir came to the class, and I still remember he started very totally differently. His first question, I still remember, what is your motto to join this academy? Why you want to learn, why you want to speak English fluently? And he changed my totally mind and concept of thinking about everything. That time I feel very surprised, and I remember he taught us present tense. I think he changed my all point of view about coachings, and that day I feel my decision is correct. Finally I am going to learn English. So that's it. Thank you.